Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the full keyboard access and what it does on your iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do now is to open settings, swipe down a little bit, tap on accessibility, then swipe down a little bit and go to the keyboards. So just tap on that. First option is full keyboard access, so let's click it on. And now if you turn on this feature, if you are using the external keyboard connected via Bluetooth, for example, if you click on this feature, you're going to be able to use this keyboard to control your iPhone. So it means that you're going to be able to put, for example, those combinations of keys and just move through your iPhone, like use it like you're using it with, your fingers, just by tapping on the screen. Here you have those simple shortcuts, and also in the command section you have another commands that you can use to move through your iPhone. So again, how to get to the setting. So just open settings, swipe down a little bit, go to the accessibility, then go to the keyboards, then go to the full keyboard access, and now you're here. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!